Hi everyone, and welcome to the pepper greenhouse here at Windrider Farm. In today's video, I'd like to bring you inside the pepper house and show you how well these peppers are still doing into the month of November. Those of you who've watched our previous videos will remember that this is a scrapwood greenhouse that we built here on the homestead to extend the harvest so that we could grow our peppers earlier and extend them later into the season. What you'll also notice if you've watched any of our previous videos is that we've changed the configuration of this greenhouse now that the temperatures have dropped. Those of you who've watched our previous videos will remember that the pepper plants line the walls in a U shape and there were peppers in the center. What you'll notice now is that we've placed all of the pepper plants in the center of the greenhouse. Also, you may notice that a second layer of plastic has been added on the inside. The principle behind the two layers of plastic is that air will get trapped in between them and heated by the sun during the day. This is what's helped us so far keep these pepper plants alive and looking healthy, even though the temperatures at night dip well into the 30s. One of the other things that's helped us immensely is the fact that all of these pepper plants have been planted in black 5-gallon buckets. So what happens during the day when the sun is shining in the greenhouse is it warms up these buckets and the soil within, which then is released overnight when the temperatures dip. The extra measure that we're going to be taking tonight to try to extend the harvest even further is to cover all of these pepper plants with frost cloths. It's our hope that the addition of the frost cloths will keep these pepper plants alive. If we're unsuccessful in keeping all of these pepper plants alive, I wanted to at least get a video of them to show you how beautiful they look well into November. So let's take a walk around and take one last look at all of these beautiful pepper plants.